Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll show you how to create a functional WhatsApp agent in under 5 minutes without needing complex automation platforms. To begin, you'll need an account on the Optimly platform and an active Twilio account, which will manage your WhatsApp messages. First, navigate to the Optimly dashboard where you'll see your existing agents and an option to add a new one. Click on Créer Nuevo Agent to start the process, then give your agent a descriptive name and select WhatsApp as its communication channel. Next, you'll configure your agent by adding knowledge. For instance, you can upload an FAQ document to provide it with relevant information. You can also define its behavior and prompt, guiding how it interacts with users and responds to queries. The crucial integration step involves connecting your agent to WhatsApp via Twilio. This requires configuring your Twilio credentials within Optimly. You'll need to input your Twilio account SID and auth token, then activate the webhook URL provided by Optimly in your Twilio console. Once configured, test your agent directly within the Optimly platform to ensure it responds as expected. Then, send a message to your Twilio WhatsApp number to see your new agent in action, responding live to your queries. Optimly also provides robust analytics, allowing you to monitor your agent's performance and user interactions effectively. With Optimly and Twilio, creating powerful WhatsApp automation is straightforward and efficient. Thank you for watching.